As students work on different tasks, it is important that they understand the steps needed to complete them. This guided executive functioning folder breaks tasks up into 5 parts. In this example, we're breaking down how you can use this guided EF folder to outline the process of completing a book report. First, students work on goal setting and understanding how the task at hand fits into their greater goals. Next, they work on regulation. Here, they will work to recognize how they feel about the task and are provided with strategies to help them regulate their emotions. Then, students are asked to think about where their attention is and how they can work to maintain their attention as it relates to the task at hand. In step 4, students complete a ready, do, done graphic organizer to help them outline each step needed to complete their task. They'll start by thinking about what the project needs to look like when it is done. Then, they'll work backwards to figure out all of the steps needed in order to get their project to that completed point. They can think about how much time each step will take and make sure that they account for all of the time management needed. After thinking about what steps they need to complete, they're asked to list out the materials and make sure they are ready to get started on that task. Finally, students are asked to reflect on how the process went in step 5. These 5 parts encompass several different executive functioning skills. Whether your student needs help in a specific area or across all 5 parts, this trifold will provide organization and structure to support EF development.